Can you survive through the low lows? Don't know if you'll survive when it all goes down. Say your life, just stay home, home. When it's war, ain't no time, ain't no life down here. I hear them calling, all I hear is voices and they call out to me, yeah. They keep on calling, say don't be afraid, it's a dark tragedy, yeah, yeah. I can feel the future slipping out my own mind. Everybody gotta die, gotta...
Ayusin mo mabuti walang sabon yan
Okay, welcome to the unboxing of the new helmet. KYT, of course. So it's the KYT TT course. So this one is the Leopard edition. It's a medium size and it's only 1,450 grams. It's quite light. The only thing changing now, one of the thing, you don't open the visor on the side there compared to the other KYT. You open it in the middle. So you have the vent on the chin, vent on the top, and then you have some at the back. You have two at the back. The visor actually feel nice. When I see a quality actually helmet, you can feel by the way you open and close the visor. The foam inside, I think they changed it. It's still the same quality, but this one is much softer compared to my other KYT helmet. So I think it's different from the NFR and from the NX race. It's a double D-lock. This is very good actually for me. I don't really trust the other one, and actually lock every day I lock my helmet to my bike, so that's very convenient for me. Obviously you can remove the pad to wash it, and let's be honest, I cannot give you a proper review now. I will give you a review later because of the lockdown, so I will have to wait and stay home for now. Then later I will give you a proper review. I will give you KYT stickers. I will give you yeah, I just make another video, but so far I'm very happy with the design. It looks very nice. The price, okay, the price is only at, this is cheap actually. The price is only at 3,800 pesos. So this is an entry level helmet, but for entry level helmet it's very light, very nice, and the color is great. So yeah, once the lockdown is finished, you can go in Alpinestars, Quezon City, and they have it. So you can go there and buy it from them. Or you can search online, there's always people selling it. Of course, thank you to Boss Charlie and Sir Peter from KYT.
Ayusin mo mabuti Ayusin mo mabuti walang sabon yan Tapusin mo yan lahat
So this is the way I do it, because I don't have the proper chin mount yet. So I just use one of those normally when I have a new helmet, and I just clip it inside like that. I just tight it. It does the job. So yeah, that's it. Shout out to Gear House. You can get it from the Gear House. So I put my microphone here behind, then I use like that, and you can just tight it after.